let me off my shoe. If everything the priest told this world, if it's not a lie, let me die.
Oh,
But if it is a lie, let idiot, that PRO die. Let him, I swear by the sun, I swear by the sun, that whatever that priest told in his voice record and in his written something to the public is 100% lies.
no, Chief, good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much.
Chief, please, I want you to tell us what is happening between you and the Tansi University, how you are going, because our fans want to know, our people want to hear from you about what is happening and where you are and what is happening currently. So,
thank you. It's very unfortunate that the innocent students are being fed lies from the people that call themselves clergymen. There is a guy, is it Justin, Reverend Justin Egbe, who says a PRO of Tansi University. He now put a voice message and put it in writing, calling me all sort of names. Calling me all sort of names. I'm shocked. The name I built from my 18 years old to 68 man now, this idiot try to tarnish it, calling me all the names. But I laugh on the idiot. He's not a human being. Can somebody put the sun down?
no.
Nobody can put the sun down.
It's not possible.
I'm a child of the sun.
It's not possible.
And that priest, with all the collaborators that hijacked the Tansi University and trying to hijack my property, can all of us come open and stay in a social media like this and talk to people to hear? They hide somewhere, cover themselves with cassock, and they are more deadly, more criminal than every other notorious people you know. How can they be doing like this? Now, the person, myself and him, got this license and established the university there. We have what is called terms of settlement and consent judgment. Okay. Out of a sudden, these hawks are saying that consent judgment is, I don't know what they call it, is a purported consent judgment. Whereas all the witnesses that endorsed the signature on that consent judgment are alive. If I can call you their names, Professor Nduka Irai, he signed for the university.
But he's alive now.
He's alive. Elijah Sende, a reverend father, he signed for the university, member of the university, plus one more person with the Oga, that is a John Bosco account. In one line. In my own, I signed.
Okay.
Then MIGK signed for the running industries. Then Joe Ifedobi signed. Linus, Dr. Linus Uche signed. All these people are alive.
Okay.
They are alive. You can see them. But these idiots, criminals, they thief the university because they snatch the university from the people John Bosco willed the university. Okay. The people John Bosco willed the university said they believe in that consent judgment. Okay. But these armed robbers, criminals, say they don't believe in it. And again, they say they bought the university from John Bosco.
Oh, now they bought it from John Bosco. That's what they're saying right now.
They say they bought it from John Bosco.
Okay.
If you buy a property from, if you buy the university from John Bosco, now you buy the terms of settlement that were entered with John Bosco.
Okay, it's true.
Yeah. So It's very unfortunate on people hearing, trying to listen to. I sympathize, but it pains me that these people hide in Catholic. Because if you know the mystery and miracle in Catholic Church, nobody inside Catholic Church supposed to tell lies.
It's too much.
But these people, Edwin Obiora, a priest in Oka, innocent Uke, and yet just in Ekwe or Ewe, I don't know. All of them are in the administration of Tansi University, stolen Tansi University. Because they snatch it from the people John Bosco willed the university to. None of them knows how the university come in place. None of them know. They don't know. They just grab it like that. Then announce that they are doing nothing in my factory. That place is factory.
Yeah, you told me.
It is a factory. They incubate these children. You do some remodeling of something like when the nurses that can look after the patients will be trained. But if you go there, it be like where pigs have been raised. So it is very, very, very unfortunate. But it won't go well with them.
Amen.
And I'm saying that if they lucky, the people John Bosco will the university allow them, then go with the university, because we have a permanent site at Omunya.
Okay.
My property is just for take-off campus.
Okay.
And that's why when we had a war, because I use it to invest in equity.
Okay.
Okay. I did not collect 1 naira from John Bosco and put in my pocket.
Yeah. Okay.
The money from John Bosco, which I have even repaid back through the honorary subtraction, is the 14.5 million we paid in the bank, and 9 million we used to evacuate the machineries in the industry. That's about 23 million.
Okay.
And during the terms of settlement, it is said that it will be reimbursed to him, which has been reimbursed.
Oh, okay.
So these criminals now trying to say they bought my property from John Bosco. Is it an investment of 4 billion naira? I will leave it to them. They will inherit it and inherit a university. And criminals, hawks, we now own university. And now I will go empty hand. The people that relates to John Bosco and the people John Bosco will the university to will go empty hand, because they call themselves priests. And you know, in anything priests say, we say amen. Nobody will say amen to them.
Okay.
I'm saying, students, open your eye. You people are being cheated. The PRO of Tansi University told you people 100% lie. Let me off my shoe. If everything the priest told this world, if it's not a lie, let me die. But if it is a lie, let the idiot, that PRO, die. Let him, I swear by the sun, I swear by the sun, that whatever that priest told in his voice record and in his written something to the public is 100% lies.
Why is priest lying?
He said purported the consent judgment, whereas the chief judge that put the terms of settlement into law as consent order is alive. He's a current chief judge of Anambra State.
So what is the man saying? The current chief judge?
No, he said nobody can overturn the consent judgment. They are now, they use Navy, they use Army, they use police, they use defense, and then they have built a big money, because the money they stolen from parents of these children, they have it in abundance to go and bribe. They say they want to bribe judge. They want to bribe. Let's see how they can overturn listen. But the truth is that they don't have document of my property.
Okay.
I have document of my property.
Okay.
They went and forged what they call CFO.
Okay.
They go and forge it.
Okay.
And they incorporate all the buildings include my junior brother building, include everything.
Yeah.
They incorporate it into a particular place. I endorsed for the license because they are stupid. They don't even know demarcation. Yeah? So I can't understand this type of thing. So because of too much money they have collected from parents, why would they buy? They buy civil certificates, they buy this, they even go to native doctors. These people.
To fight your property.
Look at
So, I want you to clear. I want you to clear some air.